Ibis Baku City is a 3-star hotel and one of the best budget-friendly stays in Baku. It's not too expensive, yet offers great comfort and convenience and also is located close to the city center. It's perfect for both business and leisure travelers. The hotel is conveniently situated just 300 meters from the nearest metro station and about 200 meters from a bus stop, making it easy to explore the city. Stay until the end of the video to know the price of this hotel. The hotel and rooms were clean and well maintained. The staff were friendly, polite, and always ready to help, which made the experience even better. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and want to see more similar content. Now coming to the price, a night at Ibis Baku City usually costs around 5,000 Indian rupees or roughly 50 to 60 US dollars, which includes breakfast. This makes the hotel great value for money in the heart of Baku. The breakfast buffet was decent, though it did not have a lot of options.